Hello,
Hello.
có để hay nó có bà ra có bé mima mina có tu cho ra có tu chưa mà thọ khi phát chưa ra với tao có tu cho này thọ nhà đó tu cố giáo á.
You already spoke English.
Giờ tiếp vào cái nhắc lo á, nhắc lo.
Pa's not going to speak English from this point on in the video.
Tiếp vào cái nhắc lo á.
She's saying she made faux noodle soup. So we're gonna need some pho here. Kids are. It's very spicy. Because she told me before the video that we're gonna eat pho noodles. They're not noodles because they're rice. And you already ate. You ate your mac and cheese. Why you gotta destroy your sister's food?
Beba.
Here, get that spoon to your sister.
Eat with a spoon.
Yeah, he just wants to hold the spoon. He doesn't want to eat with it.
Eat with a spoon.
Good job.
What about pictures instead of one?
So what happens when you got a baby in the house? The baby is in control, huh? The baby's the master?
Yes. The baby is the master.
Whenever you eat, the baby must always come towards you because he wants to eat everything you're eating. He sees you eating, he'll sit there and he'll try to take what you're eating and eat it.
Tiếp vào cái nhắc.
Được không anh nhỏ?
Tiếp vào nhắc lo.
This is a mark when I was young. I fell on a fire hydrant because I was playing on a fire hydrant.
Go
I had
that.
my head on it.
It looks
Go
like
that.
dot lines. I mean cut lines.
Ooh. Yeah, I cut my head on it. Fire hydrant. And it never went away.
Why did it never went away?
It must have been a bad mark. Fire hydrant's made of metal. Must have hit it pretty good.
And it would never go away for December.
Right, never go away for December.
Có ba.
Forever December.
Có đã bự. Mà nó gãy.
That's why I stay sometimes. Forever December.
I think Pa's either gonna put a video I made this morning, or for me it was this morning, it was like 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 us chasing the rabbits.
Who do you say that to, Dad?
That was me chasing the rabbits today. Just going around making a video of rabbits.
Mama.
Those used to be our rabbits in a cage, and they had babies last summer. For a while I thought it was
But dad
Oh, you got rice all over your shirt. Come on.
You don't want to eat this?
No.
You want a fish sauce?
Fish sauce? What's fish sauce?
Fish sauce over there.
That belongs to your sister.
You put a little bit, that much.
So where's the... Did you wash your hand before you eat?
We were going to do this video just me and Pa, but kids came down, so now it's a kids video.
I beg up from now. I beg up.
Good.
Say in Korean.
I don't know how to do that.
Lại là cua from now. Ni bega. Kenapa banyak lo, Pak?
What does that mean?
Kenapa banyak lo, Pak? Bega.
Good.
Kenapa gak? Kenapa gak?
What does that mean?
Kamu kenapa gak?
Yeah.
Kenapa kamu gak?
What? So that for me for good day?
Pemena. Mama.
Mama?
Nudo talo nudo tak show. Nudo show ne. Nudo show.
I'm done.
Oh, really? Boleh? Betul, pada hal taklah mata tiba. Boleh dah cah tak kaya mah lo nya ni mah.
What is it?
Tapi malah pelilop arata.
No, what is it?
Tapi lah lo punya ni apa? Macam ma pelida. Isu mana?
I'm back, y'all. Back for the video. Jojo's here too. Ooh, peppers. Paul, I was thinking for the next video, we should do like a tribute to our biggest viewers. You know, write down people that we see commenting on the videos that we know are biggest fans, and talk about them. So next video will be you guys. I'll tell you who our biggest fans are.
Kalau api waktu tu nama dah sudah tu mah kebetulan nanti
So put your comments in.
Awe comment mah video waktu tu awe berarti share mah. Tapi padunya.
Because it could be you. It probably is you. And if it is you, you already know it's you. Because you probably comment on all, if not most of the videos. And we already have a couple people in mind, like 10 people you could think of. That are always there.
Tapi lagi macam buah mah. So try buah. Possibility padu lama, possibility padu malah tu so try buah di masa buah.
Yeah.
Tea bega.
Pupati bega. My baby. Oh, I wish he would stay this young forever. Baby. I know, it's a lot of work. If he was this age forever, it'd be a lot of work. It's already a lot of work for us now. But they're so cute. If you want to eat with us, come eat with us, or if you want to come game with me, come game with me. But at this point, it's quarantine time, so stay at home. I do have a friend though that I have in mind that I can game with if he's not, you know, under the weather. But do your best right now to stay quarantined, stay home, unless you're essential. There are some essential jobs out there. You know, I was thinking today's garbage day, so your garbage people are essential. You don't want garbage piling up outside. The of course, medical personnel are essential. I think that allows you to hold your breath longer underwater. Let me read with that. Actually, it has some words on the top that says something. Yes, you can hold your breath longer. It means you can dive longer. I probably disagree with 99% of Democrat beliefs because of my background. So it doesn't mean we're not progressive, and it doesn't mean that we're racist. That's just what the Democrats want you to believe because they want to trick you, they want to fool you. They win their votes by tricking and fooling people. So hopefully you haven't been fooled or tricked by them in their lies.
So that's what they call it, the left hand people, the left side people.
Paul here, I've showed her, you know, what I know, what I've seen.
Who is the right hand?
The Republican. Just look at their mascot. Their mascot is a donkey, like them.
Donkey?
Yeah. The Democrat mascot is a donkey. It's like, if you put everything together, it's like they're a joke, as well as their voters. Their voters are jokes too. Like, the donkey is like a joke.
You think Republican helps people that are in need, like when they go to school, they don't have, like the refugees, that they help them?
So as far as the Republican thing, it might not be the Republican government, but a lot of Republicans are Christians, and it's usually the Christians in the churches that are helping the
people.
The people. So with the Republican side, it's more free will.
But yeah, it teaches them how to do it, but not just handing them all the time, handing it, all the time like that.
So what we mean by free will is the Republican side is less government, so it doesn't force you to do things, but most of the people are willing to do it on their own because they're not being forced to do it.
So you consider Democrats communist?
Not completely communist, but close to it, because more government is more communism.
Now in America, the good thing that they have two parties here, but in China they have only one party, and then they all controlled by one party, and it's really.
It's not even controlled by one party; it's controlled by one person, which is their leader.
Really?
That's what communism is. Government control. It's pretty much a dictatorship.
It's not good.
That's why Bernie Sanders is not winning. Is because he's the closest candidate to communism and dictatorship there is.
Well, his time is closer now.
But the rest of them aren't any better. They're all scary. All the Democrats, pretty scary.
They have a gay person, in a. You don't find.
Buttigieg.
Mr.
Gay Buttigieg, trying to have a baby.
How can you have a baby if you're a guy? If you marry a guy, that's so sick, so not normal.
A better solution would be the Democrats to stop with their abortion and give all their kids that they would have given abortion to, give them to those families that can't have kids instead of having abortion. There's families that want kids, so don't have an abortion. Don't vote for Democrats. Because Democrats allow them to have abortion until up to the day the babies would have been born.
Yeah, in New York State, the Cuomo just passed the bills that a woman can have abortion if they decided to, until 9 months pregnant. That's a full-term baby.
The baby could be born
You're a murderer if you
months
do
before
that.
And babies are born months before that. Don't give him that. Those are not good for baby. Peanuts are good. Shouldn't give peanuts to babies. Maybe peanut butter. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not a doctor or anything.
I'm not allergic to peanuts, but I just don't like to eat it every day. Only for special stuff.
Nope.
Can you
So,
pick him up?
Yeah, we're anti-abortion. We don't believe that people should have abortions. Do you want?
You can't say stuff, that are.
But there is people that talk about Republican things and they're monetized.
Cool.
I can show you plenty. I can show you plenty. There's videos on there that are Republican and talk against Democrats. They're monetized and they talk about how bad Democrats are.
Jojo, there.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, bye bye, Jojo. Bye bye. Bye bye, có ai đây?
Bye.
Bye bye, có ai đây?
Bye bye.
Thì bye bye một đây, bye bye một đây.
Aww.
It's so cute.
That's Jojo saying his first bye-byes.
Bye bye một đây, bye bye.
I'm gonna wave to the camera. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Aww, thì bye bye. Mwah. Mwah.
Keep doing it.
Or that, or you could just put your finger in your mouth. That works too.
Mwah. Vào đây. Mwah.
Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. No, you don't put your hand on my face. You put your hand on your own face.
I love my baby boy.
See how smart they get? They get so smart so fast and they just grow up.
He's only one. He can do that already.
Daddy,
Like he
what's
can
he saying?
imitate people.
Have you seen the big fish? That giant fish?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yes.
boleh to subscribe at the good di mana mau dah subscribe nah like and share nah.
What
Okay, now
giant
we
fish?
The one that you go inside.
The king?
Bye bye.